stretching across mountains, deserts, and grasslands. The Great Wall of China is one of the most extraordinary structures ever built by humankind. It's more than just a wall, it's a symbol of China's strength, determination, and history. For over 2,000 years, this massive structure has stood as a silent witness to the rise and fall of dynasties, battles, and centuries of change. Construction of the wall began more than 2,000 years ago, during the Qin Dynasty, around 221 BCE. Emperor Qin Shi Huang, China's first emperor, ordered the connection of several regional walls to protect his empire from northern invaders, especially the nomadic tribes from the steppes. But it didn't stop there. Over the following centuries, new dynasties, like the Han, Sui, and especially the Ming Dynasty, expanded, rebuilt, and strengthened the wall, turning it into the colossal structure we know today. The numbers are almost unimaginable. The Great Wall once stretched over 21,000 kilometers. That's more than half the length of Earth's equator. It winds across steep mountains, deserts, rivers, and valleys. A feat of engineering and human endurance. Built mostly by hand, the wall's materials varied from packed earth and wood in the west to stone and bricks in the east. Millions of soldiers, peasants, and prisoners worked on it, often under brutal conditions. Many never returned home, and some legends even say the wall's foundations were mixed with the bones of those who perished. The Great Wall wasn't just a barrier, it was a sophisticated defense system. Watchtowers, beacon towers, and fortresses were built along its length. Soldiers stationed on these towers could send smoke signals by day and fire beacons by night, warning of approaching enemies within minutes. It wasn't only a physical wall, it was a network of communication and control across ancient China's northern frontier. Over time, the wall's military purpose faded, but its symbolic power only grew stronger. Today, the Great Wall represents China's perseverance, unity, and ingenuity. It's one of the new 7 wonders of the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site visited by millions every year. Standing atop its ancient stones, you can feel the weight of history, the echo of footsteps from soldiers, workers, and emperors who once walked these same paths. The Great Wall of China is more than just a wall. It's a timeless story, built stone by stone, generation after generation, a story of what humanity can achieve when vision meets determination. The Great Wall may no longer serve its original purpose, but its presence continues to inspire scientists, historians, and travelers from around the world. From space, it might not be clearly visible to the naked eye as many once believed, but its impact on human imagination is undeniable. Every brick, every watchtower, and every winding curve tells the story of a civilization that dared to protect and preserve its way of life against all odds. And as the sun sets behind its ancient stones, the Great Wall becomes more than a monument. It becomes a bridge between the past and the present. It reminds us that while empires rise and fall, what truly endures is the human spirit. The same spirit that built this wall, one stone at a time, thousands of years ago. A silent reminder that greatness is not measured by power or wealth, but by the legacy we leave behind.